Assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, in this video we will continue with the technique of differentiation. Okay, so this is rule number 5, that is the quotient rule. Okay. Quotient rule is used to differentiate a rational function. So what is a rational function? Rational function is in the form of u over v. Okay, alright. So now we will have here, it is in the form of fraction. Okay, dalam bentuk pecahan. Okay, let's see the formula. If you have your fx is u over v, okay, your formula will be, your f prime x will be, so you can use uv minus uv. Okay, so in the for this time you will use minus. So prime at u and prime at v, similar to your product rule. Okay, kita akan guna uv. Kalau product rule uv tambah uv lah. Kalau quotient rule uv tolak uv. Okay, so u prime v minus uv prime, and we have another one is divided by v squared. Okay, alright, so this is formula that we will use. Okay class, now let's look at example. Okay, we want to find dy dx for the following function. Okay, let's see. For a, we have y is 1 minus 2x over x squared plus 3. Okay, so we will have here, this is your u and this is your v. Okay, so your u will be 1 minus 2x and your v will be equals x squared plus 3. Okay, we want to find u prime. So to differentiate u prime, so kita akan dapat differentiate 1 dapat kosong. So differentiate negative 2x, kita akan dapat negative 2 lah. So kita hanya differentiate yang ada x sahaja. Okay, alright. And then next, to find your v prime, it is 2x. Okay, so now we want to find your dy dx. Your dy dx will be, so the formula is given as uv minus uv, prime at u, prime at v, and then divided by v squared. Okay, and we just substitute. You will have u prime is negative 2 and then your v is x squared plus 3. So dia akan jadi macam ni lah, silang. Okay, and then minus, your u is 1 minus 2x, your v prime is 2x, divided by v squared. So your v squared is x squared plus 3 and then squared. Okay, so remember for this question you don't have to expand. Don't expand. Okay, sama jugalah macam yang sebelum-sebelum ni pun kita tak payah expand denominator. Alright, so dekat atas pula kita tengok kat atas tu ada ke faktor yang sama. Okay, kalau kita tengok tak ada satu pun faktor dia sama. Okay, yang ini tak sama, yang ini pun tak ada sama, tak ada di kedua-dua belah. So kita tak boleh nak factorize dia. Okay, bila kita tak boleh nak factorize, okay, sini cannot factorize. So what happen if you cannot factorize your numerator? So we will just simplify. Simplify means kita buka bracket lah semua. Okay, buka semua bracket. Buka bracket. Alright, so we just expand and simplify semualah. Okay, expand yang ni dan seterusnya. Okay, so the answer will be, so we have your numerator is negative 2x squared plus 3 and then minus 1 times 2x is 2x, minus 2x times 2x is plus 4x squared. Okay, kalau ada lagi yang masih tak boleh nak darab-darab terus kat situ, pastikan awak tulislah 1 darab 2x, kita dapat 2x. Contoh, and then negative 2x times 2x dapat berapa? It will be minus 4x squared. So awak minus, so dekat sini sepatutnya minus lah. Okay, alright. And then divided by x squared plus 3 squared. And then continue, you can expand again your negative sign. Okay, so now we will have negative 2x squared plus 3 minus 2x plus 4x squared divided by x squared plus 3 squared. And then when we simplify, so kita ada 4 tolak 2 x kuasa 2, kita dapat 4 tolak 2 apa? 2x squared minus 2x plus 3 divided by x squared plus 3 squared. So this is your final answer. Okay, again, if you cannot factorize your numerator, okay, then you can just simplify or open all your bracket and then dapatkan jawapan dia apalah. Okay, so this is the first example. Okay class, now let's look at second question. We have y is 2x plus 3 to the power of 3 divided by square root 4x minus 1. Okay, so sama juga macam tadi. The first step is, okay, this is your u and this is your v. Alright, so your u prime will, your u will be, so now we have, it is in a form of composite function to the power of 3. Okay, while your v will be square root, it will be 4x minus 1 to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, then continue. Okay, next we want to find your u prime. So u prime will be, okay, for this case don't forget you have the tapi method. Okay, ataupun Tupperware lah. Okay, tapi method or Tupperware. So we have big Tupperware and then we have small Tupperware. Okay, outer function and inner function. Similar for your v, you also have a big Tupperware and then you have the small Tupperware. Okay. Okay, now we will have u prime is 3 and then rewrite and the power will be 2. And then times, differentiate inside your bracket, so you have 2x, it is 2. Differentiate 3, it will be 0 lah. Okay, so dapat ni. Okay, so for the number here, you can simplify. So 3 times 2 is 6. We have 6, 2x plus 3 squared. Okay, now let's look at for the v prime. So your v prime will be 1 over 2. Okay, and then 4x minus 1 to the power of, so 1 over 2 minus 1 is negative 1 over 2, right? Okay, and then differentiate inside your bracket. So you will have here, it is 1 over 2 minus 1 is negative 1 over 2. Okay, and then times differentiate 4x, you will get 4. Okay, and then simplify, you will get, it is 4 over 2, it is 2. 4x minus 1 negative 1 over 2. Alright. Okay, now let's proceed with the formula. Okay, so the formula is given as dy dx equals uv minus uv, prime at u, prime at v, and then divided by v squared. Okay, so your u prime is 6, 2x plus 3 squared. Okay, and then your v is 4x minus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 minus your u is 2x plus 3 to the power of 3. Okay, and your v prime is 2, so 2 ni boleh asingkan lah, 2 4x minus 1 to the power of negative 1 over 2, and then divide by your v squared will be 4x minus 1 power 1 over 2. So ini yang asal dia v. Okay, so bila kita kuasa 2 kan dia akan dapat, kat sini kita kuasa 2 kan dia lah, sebab formula dia kat sini ada kuasa 2. Okay, so 1 per 2 darab dengan 2 dapat apa? Bila ni kita akan dapat 1 je lah, maknanya kat situ 1. Okay, so ingatlah kuasa yang sini kita dapat darab. Alright. Okay, now let's simplify. Okay, so let's look at here. We have the similar factor in these two functions ataupun two terms in different operations. Okay, so kalau kita ada kat sini, kita ada 2x plus 3 dekat sini, kita ada 2x plus 3 kat sini. So kita ada 4x minus 1, kita ada 4x minus 1. So maknanya operation kita tolak, so sebelah kiri tolak tu kita ada factor yang sama dengan kanan dia. Okay, so what we will do is we can factorize. So dalam case ni yes, kita kena factorize. Okay, satu lagi kita ada nombor lah yang sama kat sini. Okay, okay, now let's start factorize with number. So we have 6 and 2. 6 and 2, so you will factor out your 2, right? Okay, so next we have for 2x plus 3. For 2x plus 3, okay, you will choose the smallest degree. So this is your smallest degree, power of 2. And another one we have 4x minus 1. Okay, power of negative 1 over 2. So this is your smallest power. Okay, so what will be the remaining functions in your bracket? Macam yang saya buat sebelum ni lah, kita kena simplify ataupun buat satu persatu. Kalau tak nampak, kita buat satu persatu lah. Contohnya asal dia apa? 6, 2x tambah 3 kuasa 2, 4x tolak 1. Kuasa 1/2 tolak 2x tambah 3 kuasa 3, 2, 4x tolak 1 kuasa negatif 1/2. So for both terms we will divide by your factor. So factor kita 2, 2x tambah 3 kuasa 2, 4x tolak 1 kuasa negatif 1/2. Sama juga sebelah kanan, 2, 2x tambah 3 kuasa 2, 4x tolak 1 kuasa negatif 1/2. Okay, so yang ni kita boleh simplify lah. So simplify 6 bahagi 2, 3. So to this one potong, and then for this one, okay, so we have 1 over 2 minus negative 1 over 2 lah. Okay, sebab dia bahagi, so bahagi kuasa dia akan jadi 1/2 tolak negatif 1/2. So dia akan jadi 1. Sama macam yang kita belajar dalam product rule pun macam tu. Dia akan, biasanya kat dalam tu dia kuasa 1, 2, 3 macam tu je. Okay, so yang ini kita potong, dia akan jadi kuasa 1. Okay, yang ini 2 ni boleh potong, yang ini 1 habis. So yang ini habis. Okay, so the remaining function here is 3, 4x minus 1 minus, so we have here 2x plus 3. Habislah. So divided by, so yang bawah kita dah selesaikan, kita akan dapat 4x minus 1. Kuasa 1 je lah, power 1. So tak payah tulis power 1. Bracket nak bubuh boleh, tak nak bubuh pun tak apa. Okay, so now let's see, we want to simplify. Okay, let's look at here. We have the similar factor in your numerator and denominator. Okay, so this is why we need to factor out your numerator. Sebab kita nak potong dengan bawah ni. Okay, so kita boleh potong ni. Boleh potong ni. Tapi macam mana cara nak potong dia? Sama lah juga, ni kuasa 1 kan. So ni dia akan jadi tolak. Negative 1 over 2 minus 1. So you will get, what is it? Negative 3 over 2. So negatif, power negatif dia berada di bawah ataupun di atas? Dia ada di bawah. So bila kita potong, yang atas yang akan hilang sebab dia kuasa dia negatif. Okay, so the power negative, okay, power dia negatif, so it should be in your denominator. Alright, so yang tinggal nanti tinggal kuasa 3/2 kat sini. So negatif tu kita tak bawa lah. Okay, sebab maksud negatif index tu ataupun power negatif tu dia berada di bawah. Okay, so bila dia berada di bawah, kita just letak dia kat bawah, so without negatif lah. Kita letak dia di bawah. Okay, jadi lepas kita dah simplify, sekarang kita akan dapat 2x plus 3 squared. So 4x minus 1 dah tak ada, jadi yang tinggal kat belakang ialah 12x minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 divided by 4x minus 1 power of 3 over 2. And your final answer will be 2x plus 3 squared, and then 12 minus 2 is 10x minus 6 divided by 4x minus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. So this is your final answer. Okay class, don't forget to try again for this question. Okay, and make sure you can understand this question. Okay, okay, let's see one example. What happened? Okay, what happened if you have y equals, let's say, 3 over x plus 3 power 5. Okay, this is also a rational function, right? Sebab dia dalam bentuk pecahan kan, u over v. Tapi bahagian atas ni kita tak ada x, without x. Okay, so bila kita tak ada x, kita boleh just write your y as 3x plus 3 power of negative 5. Okay, so cuba tengok bila dia kuasa negatif kat sini. Okay, asalnya dia adalah 5 dari bawah kan. So bila naik ke atas, dia jadi kuasa negatif. Sama juga macam konsep yang tadi lah. Kalau daripada atas dia kuasa, kalau kita tolak tadi kuasa negatif, so kita cuma letak dia ke bawah dan dia jadi positif lah kat situ. Okay, kita tukarkan index number. Okay, power of index number ni, okay, negatif kita tukarkan jadi positif. Okay, so sambung balik yang ini tadi, kita dapat apa? Yang ini kita just guna konsep Tupperware yang macam biasa tu. Kita ada big Tupperware here, and then we have small Tupperware for example. Okay, so now your dy dx will be negative 15x plus 3 power of negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6, and times power yang Tupperware, inner Tupperware pula kita ada kuasa darab 1 je. Okay, so since you have the negative index number here, okay, so we will write as your denominator. Okay, your final answer will be negative 15 divided by x plus 3 power of 6. Okay, so remember for this kind of question, if you don't have any x in your numerator, we can just use the composite function, okay, which is the generalized power rule lah yang kita selalu guna sebelum ni. Okay, so berbeza dengan yang dua contoh tadi A dan B tadi, A dan B kita ada x dekat atas. Bila ada x kat atas memang kena guna UV lah. Okay, dan kalau boleh factorize, kena factorize. Kalau tak boleh, then just expand. Okay? Okay class, thank you.